Hello everyone. So today we're going to do a short demo on activating Accelerate WordPress and Accelerate WordPress premium features. It should be pretty quick. It's very simple as long as you're on a supported web server, Apache or Lightspeed web server, and a supported CloudLinux OS license. So the three licenses that include Accelerate WordPress are CloudLinux OS Shared Pro, OS Solo, and OS Admin. You'll see this tab in CloudLinux Manager called Accelerate WordPress. So when you open that tab, you'll see this screen here. Unless you already have Accelerate WordPress activated, then obviously this page looks a bit different. So you'll need to choose whether or not you want to enable the premium features in CDN. If you don't, you simply click this button to turn it on, and then the plugin will appear for your end users in their hosting control panel, and they'll have access to all the features. Now, obviously, we do recommend the premium features. That's really where most of the value is for you as the hosting providers. It provides you an opportunity to upsell your customers automatically to these premium features based on smart advice that's generated specifically for their websites. It's zero touch. It's all single click. So as you build this into your offering, we want this to generate more revenue for you. This is really the impetus behind this product, and why we built it for our hosting provider customers is to help them generate performance value specific to their WordPress hosting. So when you select premium features, you get a couple of options here. So you need to choose whether or not you want to offer premium features free of charge for all users. Now what that means is your customers will be prompted to upgrade to gain access to the premium features. That means that if they do activate it, either manually or via smart advice, it's just going to activate and deploy automatically, instantly. There's no upgrade required. We recommend that you integrate this with your billing platform. We have a simple to use WHMCS plugin, and it's pretty simple to integrate even with third-party billing platforms, and we'll get to that in another video. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, it's not complicated, and we've made it as simple as possible for you. Once you integrate that billing platform, you'd set your upgrade URL here. So either that links to a premium hosting package that includes the premium features, or it's an add-on. So in this case, this is just an add-on URL where the hosting end customer is prompted to add this premium service on top of their existing hosting package. And we set the URL here. The CDN also has an upgrade URL. Now, every CDN user gets up to 1 gig of CDN for free. So when we identify that a specific website needs CDN or can benefit from CDN, we give them advice. We tell them via email inside the cPanel UI, inside the hosting control panel UI, inside the WordPress admin UI, we let them know that CDN will benefit their site visitors. We have data to prove it. We know their site visitors are distributed or accessing the website from a region that's far from the origin, and we give them advice to enable that CDN. Now, once they're nearing that 1 gig, we would give them advice, provided you have an upgrade URL set here. We give them advice that they need more bandwidth. CDN bandwidth, so they're going to be prompted to upgrade to a higher tier package. Now, those packages would be set by you. This URL would link them to a place to where they can upgrade to those packages, like a 50 gig, 100 gig packages, and it's all done automatically. So as soon as they upgrade, the entitlement is set. Now they have more bandwidth. So this is a pretty simple process. You can enable these premium features. You just turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, the auto tracing feature is also enabled, the PHP X-ray auto tracing feature. And that's very important because what it's going to do is scan all of your sites on the server, your WordPress sites on the server, and build a profile for them. And this is a performance profile. We understand, we can learn a lot about the site's performance issues, opportunities to improve the performance. And that's really what Smart Advice is based on. And that's what really makes Accelerate WordPress so valuable for you and for your customers. It's like an automated consultant, performance consultant, where we're analyzing the site and we're providing data-driven solutions with a single click to improve the performance of those websites. So when we turn this on, it is going to take a bit of time and a bit of resources to scan these sites, and it's approximately 3 seconds for every 100 users processed. Your mileage may vary, but we do recommend that you activate this feature during non-peak times of the server. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Should take a few seconds, so I'll pause the recording here and I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, so now Accelerate WordPress is enabled on the server. We can still manage here any configuration settings if we want to come back and set the URLs, change the URLs, change any of these toggles. It's all manageable from here. And from the cPanel user interface, the users now will see the Accelerate WordPress plugin here. And the same thing goes for Plesk. Now, if you want to view that whole experience, we do have another video that goes through the whole user upgrade flow and the user experience with Accelerate WordPress plugin. Definitely check out that video as well. And of course, if you have any feedback, any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Please always feel free to email us, product@cloudlinux.com. And we thank you very much for your interest in Accelerate WordPress, and have a great day.